Yes, people, I'm back with another one. Nike. We love Nike. Just one thing I noticed today is I can't open parcels like a normal human being anymore. Like when they arrive, I can't just rip it open and just look at the stuff and then leave it there. I have to keep it sealed. You know, the seal is still intact. You know, it's not a sellotape job. The seal is still intact for you guys. Or you guy, one person watching. The best bit. That failed. We pretend that this didn't happen, right? And I need to just check that they haven't put the... They have. Ooh, that's a different box. Ooh, that's a different box. I'm liking that. Look at the box first. Ooh, I like that. I like the box. I might not even like these trainers. I might like the box more. Nike Air VAPORMAX 360. Black. Something black. I can't say that word properly. I don't want to mess it up. Ooh. I like that box. That's different. Ooh. In case of emergency, run, intended for outdoor use only. En caso de urgencia, corres. Concu por usage exterior únicamente. That means, in case of emergency, run, intended for outdoor use only. See, I speak bare languages. Alright, we get it. Actually, I like this box so much. Look at the box, guys, man. That's a good box. Let's get into the trainers. That's a good box. Woo. Ooh. They're actually so light. They're so light. Oh my. I actually like these a lot. These are cold. This is my first ever pair of like VaporMaxes, Vapor trainer things. VaporMax Soul. Ooh. I think you can basically call this a triple black or black and grey or dark grey colorway. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Wait for it. Look at the shine. Look. Oh, these are sick. Apologies for sounding like this or whatever. I'm just gonna be normal with it. I'm not gonna pretend I'm something I'm not or someone I'm not and speak different. Oh yes. And you know what's mad? I have a pair of Air Max 360s, normal 360s somewhere. Yes. VaporMax 3. Oh yes, these are sick. Oh my, I like these a lot. Stay down. Even the box is banging. Let's move that there. Yes, I like these a lot. Oh my days, I'm just clocking new things on them. There's a tick there. What other hidden details have you got? It's got this. Oh, there's a tick there. What's going on? There's a tick there. I'm paying for ticks. Oh, these must be comfortable. I'm gonna try these on foot. If they suit me, I'm keeping them. Actually, no, I'm keeping them. I don't care. These look so good. These are sick. Oh man. Let me just undo the lace a bit. These are cold. They need to release Air Max 360s now because I want a pair of those again. These. Let me feel how the bubble is. Oh, it says it's got a little detail there. VaporMax 360. They're so sick. No, these are cold. Yep. I'm keeping these. I wanted to see them in person. They're hard. I like them a lot. I only think I've seen them online or like people wearing them. But obviously I wear things a bit different. Oh man. These, look, I'm actually speechless. But I'm gonna say buy a pair. But let me put them on foot first and then I'll write in the description if they're worth it. But enough of me getting excited about these trainers. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all of my content, all of the on foot videos. They're all less than a minute long. You can watch 10 in 10 minutes. Likes, all of that. Tell your friends, reposts. I need 1K this year. Let's hope so. Until the next one, guys.